Welcome to another video. Cocaine and Cody. I'm just getting in, and I got in a little late. I got in late because where I parked my car at work, the gate wouldn't open. So I sat there for maybe 15-20 minutes. And the mechanic came and he got the gate open. So I got home a little late. Got home. I gave them a little snack. Got in the shower. Now I'm in the bed. I am tired. I've been up since 6 this morning. And this guy, what he wants to do is play. And I know. You haven't seen me all day. And he wants to play. But to be honest, I am exhausted. This little guy, he's knocked out. He's full, so he's good. Cody is a little older now, so Cody will be 9 in June, so he has no interest in playing. He just wanna lay down and sleep, relax in the bed, get comfortable. Kane, on the other hand, what do you call them when they're 2? You call them a toddler or a teenager? What are they called? He has so much energy, so I'm just gonna throw his toy until I fall asleep. Normally what I do is I throw the toy in my sleep. I don't know where it lands, but he manages to find it and bring it back to me. Kane. He needs a haircut. I'm gonna take him Saturday. He has a 12:30 appointment. Cody, I groom him myself. I can groom a Yorkie with no issues, with no problems. But his hair is a little different, so I can groom him, but I would have to take my time and be patient, and I don't really have the patience right now, so I'll just take him to the groomer and let them tighten him up. Right, Kane? Kane. Come here. Come. Just interested in this toy. I'm not playing no more. Watch this. No more. No more. That's it. No more. No more. No more, Kane. That's it. Aw, look at his face. No more. I'm tired. No more. That's it. No more. God, he's looking at the toy. No more. I'm tired. Game over. That's it. No more. I don't have anything left. No more. Kane. Kane. Hello. Kane. No more. That's it. No more. Game over. Game over. No more. That's it. No more. Game over. He's gonna look for another toy now. Kane. Come on. Bring me the toy. Bring me toy. Kane, bring me toy. Got it? Come on, bring me toy. Yeah, I'll play with him all night until he get tired and he let me know he had enough. I'll do this all night, every single day, morning, noon, and night. Right, man? You're strong. Like, subscribe, and share this channel. Say good night, Kane. Kane, say good night. Say good night first. Say good night.